How to download Bitrue on Android device. Are you guys facing issues to download Bitrue on your Android devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To download Bitrue on your Android device, first of all, open Play Store on your mobile device. As soon as you open the Play Store, now just simply click on the search bar and search for Bitrue app. As soon as you search for it, click on the second option where you can see this option for Bitrue, buy XRP, BTC, and crypto. Tap on it. As soon as you click on it, you'll be forwarded to this section. Now just click on install. As soon as you click on install, the app will start to download on your mobile device. As soon as you get logged in or downloaded, it will be available on your mobile home screen. Once it gets downloaded, just tap on it and create an account and you'll be ready to go and buy crypto assets. That's it guys. That's how you're gonna download Bitrue on your Android device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.